Most ERP projects don't fail because the software was bad. They fail because the process was rushed. And I've seen this way too often. Hi, I'm Ibrahim from Itkenya, and today I'll walk you through the 5 key ERP implementation phases in simple terms so you understand how to do it right and avoid the costly mistakes. Whether you're moving from a spreadsheet or an old system, every successful ERP project follows the same roadmap. The roadmap has 5 clear phases and each one builds on the next one. The first phase is discovery and planning. Here, everything starts with clarity. This is where we define your need for ERP. What problems are you solving and what success looks like to you? We look at your pain points, set clear goals, agree on a budget, and bring the right people on board. This phase sets the foundation. Skip it and everything else becomes unstable. For our second phase, we move on to design and process mapping. Next, we design how your business actually runs inside the ERP. We map the workflows, sales, stock, finance, procurement, and making them before touching the system. This ensures that the software fits your business and not the other way around. Phase 3, development and data migration. Here is now where the developers mostly enjoy, because now the build begins. The system is configured, modules are set, and your data is carefully moved into the new ERP. This is where accuracy matters most, because clean data means reliable reports and confident decision. As the saying goes, garbage in, garbage out. And whatever you put into the ERP, if it is wrong garbage, you get more garbage, but this time only expensive garbage. Phase 4, testing and training. Before going live, everything is tested, and more importantly, your team is trained, your staff learns how to use the system in the real roles, so ERP feels helpful, not intimidating. This phase is key to adoption. Phase 5, which is the final phase, deployment and support. Then comes go live. Here, the business transition now to using now the ERP, but the journey doesn't mean that we stop there. The support has to stop there. Ongoing support ensures the system keeps improving as your business grows into 2026 and beyond. Understanding these 5 phases is the key to a smooth ERP implementation. Each step builds the last, so you get it right the first time. If you want to explore all the 5 phases in detail, check out our full guide online. Thank you.